Yes, sir. We got that gasket kit. I'm assuming that's the gasket kit. We're gonna do a quick little unboxing from that good old Rock Auto. See, it didn't even take long. I was over here messing during work. We were actually busy, so I didn't get to mess with the box too much. But I got my tap and die set out. I think I got a plan for the power steering. I got all types of shit over here in a mess. But I got to tap out that water pump deal, and I think I got a way I'm gonna try it, but that's where I was at. Um, it's just gonna be one of those days I couldn't do nothing to the box or the motor during the day. But you know what? Let's start with this unpacking real quick, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Oh, what magnet did we get today? Man, we ain't getting no good one. What is this? A Buick? Pontiac. A box within a box, baby. All right. Yes, sirski. There we go. There we go. Complete gasket kit. Oh, even valve seals and everything. Yes, sir. All right. Hell yeah. Now we could well, we didn't finish polishing, but we have our gasket kit for the engine. Hi there, guys. I didn't see you. I'm just trying to be cheesy with y'all. Y'all know me with my cheap, corny ass jokes. God damn, I'm over here tapping this bolt hole. It is originally got it. It's got threads, but since the paint and dirt, it's hella. I didn't use it, but I think I'm gonna try to use it for the power steering pump. That's what we messing with. Oh my god. That's what we're messing with today. I'm gonna just try to figure out how to get this hole mounted. It don't matter how. I think we're gonna figure it out. With I got a couple ideas. Oh my god, on how to do it. But I'm gonna tap this so I can test it. Well, anyways, today at the shop we're pretty damn busy. So I wasn't able to work on the car a whole lot. Oh my god. Alright, there it goes. Anyways, man, I was just thinking back. Oh shit, someone's honking. Got me paranoid and shit. There's some people honking outside. God damn. I think it's threaded. The thing with tapping or dying, whatever, I ain't no expert. You just got to take your time slowly. Hell yeah. Man, haven't drove the box in a minute. Can't wait to get it back going. But slow rolling. I don't know, man. It's already like the 17th or the 18th. I don't know. I thought it was going to be easy to get this up running within 25 days. But, the job comes first. So that shit's actually taking a lot of time. But hey, we're going to push through it. Keep chipping away. Today's story time. I just thought of one real quick. One of my favorite times in the box. So, this was barely last year. The car was already put together. Switches was on point. It was looking okay. You know, a couple things here and there, but it was looking straight. And they were having I think it was a Chicano Boulevard deal or something. It was a Sunday evening. It was gonna be a lowrider hangout, right? And it was the talk of the Instagrams. But it was gonna be crunk. And I wanted to go. So rare occasion that me and my girl can go out because we got kids. She let me do all types of shit, so I'll be out there by myself most of the time or with the homies. But this time it was rare. We had a babysitter, so it was me and my girl in the car cruising. We heading to this, I think it was called Rabbit's Got the Gun over there. And so we're a little late. I think that it started about 5. We going over there about 6:15, 6:30. So from what I hear, from what I see, it's crunk, bro. I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? The car dipping. Got my girl on my side. We in the box Chevy, you know what I'm saying? Switches juicy. Well, anyways, man, we like 10 minutes away. And man, my stomach starts hurting me, dog. Like the bubble guts. I was like, fuck. And then I didn't want to turn around. We're already that close. But I was like, man, I don't want to pull up. And I'm like, man, we'll see what's up. I'm like, I soldiered through it. I'm sweating this shit. Anyways, we pulling up and all that, and my stomach, but it might have been the nervousness and all that. I don't know what it was. But my stomach, you know, kind of calmed down. We on that street and I see it. You know what I'm saying? It's like a movie, bro. I was high too. Nah, I don't know. Anyways, so we dipping and I see it. We like 2 blocks away. I see it looks crunk, bro. Cars on both sides, people. It looks crunk as hell, bro. I pull up and we jamming. I don't tell my girl nothing. All of a sudden, boom, I pull up. No one's around me at this point. Like, there ain't no really too many cool cars around me. And I'm kind of creeping. It kind of clears, you know what I'm saying? The C party of the traffic. And I go to fucking gas hopping that bitch. I get like good 3 licks in. Ooh, hey, I ain't gonna lie. That shit felt like I was looking at the sky, dog. Boom, I go through. I pass. I ain't gonna lie, I see everybody. Like when I was hopping that bitch, this was probably like not even a minute's time, right? Me going through that bitch gas hopping. But it's slow motion. I see everybody. I'm left and right. I'm hitting that hoe. And we U-turn. I try to do it again. I click it a few times and it just I missed it on the way back. But man, I was like, and instead of parking, I just kept going. And my girl's like, she looks at me and she's like, what happened? You're not gonna stop? I said, nah. I think it was perfect. She's like, what? She's looking at me confused. And in my head, my dumb ass was like, yeah, that's it. The box was seen, baby. I came through. And at this time, right, I like catching shit on for YouTube. And so I literally didn't have no, I told her, I was like, it's kind of fucked up. I'm thinking this way. I'm happy. My stomach was good. I even told her, I said, man, we don't got a babysitter that much. Fuck that little hangout. Let's go get something to eat, just me and you. I did my little thing. I'm happy just dipping. I made it to the scene. I banged on them fools and we dipping out, baby. But I did tell her, like, on the ride home or while we were eating dinner, I was like, man, I don't know. I kind of wish someone would have caught it on camera. But it is what it is. Sometimes moments you just got to live it. So I was happy in the motherfucker. The car didn't break. We made it to the restaurant. We made it back home. And it was cool, dog. You know what I'm saying? And guess what? A couple days later, I'm scrolling through the Instagrammers. Someone fucking caught me gas hopping perfectly. And it was the homie Photoshops. He's actually a videographer. we've actually worked with him in the past with the Milo De Niro video, and he just happened to be there that day. He caught me, boom, hopping, and that's what I use for my intro on my vlogs. I haven't been using it lately because I put it on the hard drive. We took it off the laptop. Anyways, a new intro coming. Actually, we've been working on it. So I got a new intro coming. But shout out Fontaine. He working on it for me. Where was I at? Oh, the homie Photoshops posted it. Man, I hit him quick. I said, bro, can you send me that footage, please? And I used it for the intro. But it was like one of my favorite moments in the box. I didn't even talk to nobody. We pulled up banging, left the scene. That's it, dog. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, dog, like I think, not for nothing, I'm surprised. The box got a lot of people asking for it, dog. Like, people remember it for stuff like that. I pull up acting an ass and this and that, you know what I'm saying? And that's just one of the stories, dog. Like, sometimes you can get tired of seeing a certain car, even if you love it, but if you see it every Sunday, it's not special no more. So I'm like, man, they see me hopping. I don't need to stop. We need to go. I got the boo-boo. But that was one of my favorite spots. But anyways, hey, Boxmas 2024, baby. I'm going to continue to tap this shit, figure a few things out. But that's it for today's video. And I did find a raw clip that the homie Photoshops hooked me up with. So, appreciate y'all watching. Here's the clip.
Where you at, baby? God damn, I missed you. You sloppy, jalopy, I'll chuck you.